Kumiko-Teressa reporting from Tokyo, Japan. I'll be introducing you tons of delicious ramen noodle places. Have you ever tried ramen noodles in Tokyo? If you haven't, you really should. This guy over here, his name is Dorance Ishimoto. He's a comedian in Japan known for eating tons of good ramen noodles, and he knows a lot about it, and he's the one who's going to be doing the report. So let's check out today's Tokyo ramen. Today we're going to introduce a ramen place which is in Gotanda, that is 20 minutes away from Tokyo Station. Today's ramen comes with eggs soaked in soup with a delicious soy sauce taste. They use special soy sauce for the soup. It is a bit spicy and sweet, and it has a very elegant taste. The fat of the pork adds a thick layer to the taste. The soup is so good, you won't be able to stop. The noodles are straight and the soup is soaked up. It tastes excellent. This place is 5-minute walk from JR Gotanda Station. Please check out an Italian Renaissance building close to the station that was designed by a British architect 100 years ago. Also, you should definitely check out a temple called Meguro Fudo that has been there for more than 1200 years. So, what did you think? I bet you would like to try ramen noodles from this shop. Next time you're in Tokyo, make sure you try this ramen noodles, and don't forget to let your friends know. I'll be introducing a lot of Tokyo ramen noodles, so be on the lookout. I think I'm going to try a bite. This is delicious. Well, I will see you in ramen noodle places in Tokyo. Bye!